Hi, I'm so glad you're here. I'm Victoria, and today we're going to be testing 5 gluten-free pastas to determine which one will be best in my cold macaroni salad. I used to love macaroni salad, and the pasta I used when I went gluten-free, thinking, oh, I could make this work. I have gluten-free pasta. It wasn't good. It was hard. It was crumbly, and so I gave up macaroni salad. But now there are so many more pasta options. I'm like, I'm going to try this again. So you ready to get started? The first thing I want to tell you is I used all elbow macaroni or pasta except for one, which I'll get to that. And I cooked it exactly to the instructions because I wanted them to turn out perfectly. And then I rinsed them because in a cold pasta salad you want to rinse your pasta. And then I tried them just as they are, tasted them then. Then I put mayonnaise on them to kind of replicate what the macaroni salad would be, tasted them. Then I sat them in the refrigerator with the mayonnaise overnight and tasted them again. So the rankings I'm going to give you are based on just about 4 different tastings. So we're going to start it off here with Banza. I was so excited, a chickpea pasta. But then I ate it and I was less excited. It's not horrible, but the chickpea flavor just really overwhelms any other flavors you would get from it. And the texture is a little stiff and chewy. And so overall, even before I put mayonnaise on it and before I put it in the refrigerator, I wasn't a fan. And then after it was in the refrigerator for 24 hours, it got even stiffer and almost a little crunchy. So I give Banza a 2 on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best. The next is Tinkyada. This was my go-to pasta for years because one, back when I went gluten-free, there weren't too many options. And this, matter of fact, was the pasta that made me stop making macaroni salad. But I thought, you know, it's been a while, probably 10 years, I'll give it a try again. Well, I wasn't as excited as I thought I was going to be. I had high hopes, but again, it didn't turn out to be really good for a macaroni salad. I think it's a little too soft and a little slimy too. And it really, really tastes like brown rice, which of course it's made from brown rice, it should, but it was too strong a flavor for me. And then when it was refrigerated, it got hard and a little crunchy like it did before. So I give Tinkyada a 2. So the next pasta, which is the only one here, as you can see, that is not elbow, because DeLallo does not make an elbow pasta. I said, okay, that's fine. I can make it with penne. You know, the macaroni salad will be fine. I had such high hopes for this pasta because it's imported from Italy. And I'm like, okay, they would know how to make gluten-free pasta. It was just okay. It was a little hard, a little stiff for me. Flavor was pretty good though. I think this on, you know, maybe a spaghetti sauce would be good. But then when I chilled it with the mayonnaise, it got a little harder too. And so I decided, nope, this is not going to work in my macaroni salad. But I do give DeLallo a 3. And so we get to Barilla. I had high hopes for this too. I was really excited because I eat this. I've eaten this a lot, but never in a cold salad. Barilla is really very good. It has great texture, flavor. It held up really well after it's 24 hours in the fridge, and I really enjoyed it. I give Barilla a 4. And so now we get to the last one. You're probably thinking, okay, this is the one, and you're right, it is. I really thought I was going to hate this pasta because it had quinoa in it, and I'm not a huge quinoa fan, but oh, was I so surprised. The texture and the flavor when room temperature was almost exactly like the pasta I remembered. And then when you put the mayonnaise on it, I just wanted to keep eating it just with the mayonnaise. And then the next day, when I pulled it out of the fridge and tried it cold with the mayonnaise, I knew this is my macaroni salad pasta. Ronzoni. Remember that. Buy some. It's a 3 flour blend, and I think that's what makes it so amazing. I am completely in love with this pasta, and every pasta salad I make, a cold pasta salad, I'm going to use the Ronzoni. So there you go. There's my rating. You may find that you like some of these better, perfectly fine, but maybe this will give you a guideline. I'd love to know what you think about these pastas. What's your favorite pasta? What your go-to pasta is? So drop me a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the enable notifications. And until, oh, I almost forgot. I made the macaroni salad, and I made it with the Ronzoni. And you can check out the video up here. So until next time, happy eating.